to my videos. So, the last video was I made I think an hour ago. But anyway, we're back into our normal Videocraft world. Oh yeah, so I changed it to, what do you call it? 1.16.5. So yeah, I know what I'm doing. It's barely any difference. It's just 5 simple, small updates into the future. Not much at all. There you go. Put that right there. Okay. Let's get it on with. Okay, here we go. Here's our world. I actually haven't done anything to it, but my thoughts are packing up and leaving, and maybe going to a swamp area and building there. I actually don't want to be here anymore, so I'm gonna get packed up, get everything, and then I'll be back with you then. Actually, you know what, guys? I've kind of changed my mind. I know that was a weird sudden turn of events, but I am kind of packing up and leaving, but I'm just having it so that I'm just gonna be kind of like a small little base, and then I'm gonna get maybe some more wood, move somewhere else. But for now, we're gonna go exploring up there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go take my bed with me, maybe craft a few stuff. But right now, I'm just gonna go take my bed. Oh yeah, I can't craft anything yet. This is coming with me, just so if I get into a tough situation, I could use that. I need to go get some wood, and yeah, I'll be out of here. When I get some wood, I'll start over where those pink azules are. I'm pretty sure that's what you call them. Okay, yeah. So, I was just coming here because I saw some sugarcane at the corner of my eye, and guess what I found? A village. So, I'm actually going to head to the village and see what's going on here, because it actually looks like we're doing pretty good over here. Wow. So, let's see what they have here. I know they have lots of beds. With beds, become very important later on. So, yeah. I need to head back maybe to that first lava pool, get some iron, and then bam, I can make my first nether portal. I've never actually beaten the game before, or ever gotten really that close to beating it, so it's kind of a first to me. I'm just trying to be fast, you know, so I'm just working on getting this. So, let me check. I'm taking all beds. Okay, blast furnace, that's actually really good. Maybe I can get one of those for my own. Thank you for that. Villages are always the best place to help you defeat the Ender Dragon, because finding a bunch of wool can take lots of time and effort. So, yeah. Thank you. Don't worry about the animals. It's virtual and not real. If you want to see me play VR or Minecraft in VR, hit that subscribe button, because I have a VR headset. So yeah, I got one for Christmas. So yeah, I think I can record on there because there's a recording button. So when I get everything done, I can record. Oh, there's a brewing stand. You see that in the bottom right? Okay. I wonder what's in that brewing stand, but yeah. Okay, so I maybe may be making that trek soon. But just before I do that, I need to check the last of these houses. So yeah, bring stand in here. Give me this. Wait, do you need a pickaxe? No, you need a pickaxe. Oops. That's my super mega fail, first off. This will make everybody go inside. I'm pretty sure, right? There you go. It's a little laggy there. Yep, everyone's going inside. Everyone's scared. Thank you for that bed. Man, these beds will become super important. So, very, very important to me, too. So, right here. Okay. Thank you for your bed, sir. Good, sir. Okay, so, farming area. Okay. Guess I should suppose... Inventory fan looks a little nicer, so I actually have some free space. Stone cutter, I'll take that, but I need a pick. So, I'll make one real fast. Okay, right there. Okay. Nah, I don't need one of those. I'll just make a stone. But to get stone, you do need to use this. And stone cutters can be very important at times. So that stone cutter is my... Oops, sorry, sir. Oopsies. I did not mean to do that. Oh my gosh. Put that in the comments. You guys are like, what the heck? I don't know. And give a name for him. That'll make it even more sad. Give him a name. I need to see names in the comments, and that's what we'll name him in the next video. Which will be tomorrow, because it's 8:30 at night right now. So. So yeah, this area I've already been to. Wow, that was fun. Cat, nice. All I need to tame it is some fish, but we're not doing that in this video. We're probably going to do that in some different video. Oh, nice sheep. I'm going to take these guys out. Because I need the beautiful, nice little fur. And I'm getting also very hungry. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can use smite, which will do more damage on them. And it'll kill them faster. I know that may sound very gruesome, but it's the truth. I'm actually going to use my pickaxe. I'll make everything faster. Stop moving! Okay. Nice. 3 hits. That's pretty good. Okay, now yeah, here's all that food I just got. Nice. This will get me up a little bit. I know you guys are probably like, you should make a furnace! But no, I'm not making a furnace. Not at least now. So, all I need to do is head that way. Oh my gosh, that's a cool floating island. I should actually do that. Have a nice little huge big floating island in the sky. That's actually what I'm going to do for my mega base. Okay, anyway, first thing I need to do is get iron, and I remember there was a cave over that way. So that's where I'm going to go. Bye-bye, village. Maybe I'll come back here for your terracotta and stuff, or whatever that thing is. I think it's terracotta. Anyway, come on, let's go. Okay, I'll meet you back when I get back to the, when I get over there. I'm at cave. I'm so sorry, guys. There's not even anything in this cave. Oh, night. Wait, it's nighttime and there's bees. Hi, little bees. That's actually pretty good. We can make a nice little bee farm. That's actually probably what I'm going to do. I keep saying that's probably what I'm going to do. But I'm going to place a simple bed here and go to... Come on. Let's get it rolling. I don't care about a different colored bed. Come on. Can I do it now? So now what the heck is that? I don't know what that is. What the heck? Facebook? I don't do Facebook. What the? Did you guys see that notification? I don't know if you guys saw it, but it was talking about Facebook and stuff. What? So here's a bee farm. We may actually come back here to be friends with the bees, but not now. So yeah. If you guys want to see more Fallout Shelter or Minecraft or any other games, put it in the comment section, like the video, subscribe, all that stuff. And also dislike if you don't like my videos, just being truthful. I'm happy with that too, because that'll tell me you don't like my videos. And that actually gives me some, I guess you could say, somewhat happiness, so that I know if I need to modify them or not. So, anyway, oh gosh, now everyone's going to dislike my videos. But I'd like if you like it too. Okay, we're continuing on. Wow, it's pretty cool up here. Wait, what the heck was that? It was a glitch. Okay, let's keep going. What is up here? I really like these color of the trees. So yes, I do like that a lot. But now I need to go find, let's see. Oh yeah, I just need to get to the nether. That's actually my main priority. Whoa, but this area is beautiful, isn't it? Like really beautiful. I could set up a nice little house right by that pond right there. Like perfect. Okay. Wolf. Guys, we found our wolf. What do you want to do? Kill it? I'm taking it out, like it or not. Wait, why did I make a sword? Dang it, I forgot that it's actually better if you have... Actually, no, I'm not going to take it out. It's a poor wolf just living its life. I'll only take it out if I need to, and I don't need to. I'm not doing this for the game. Well, I kind of am, but like, just ignore what I just said. Okay, I'll be back at the... Wait. Actually, I hear lava. Wait, what? Yes, we found another source of lava, but we don't really need it that well. So, when I find, like, iron and stuff, actually, you know what? I'm gonna go to my house. I'll probably start recording or whatever when I head to that ship house. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back to my lovely, somewhat, I guess you could say, home. Okay. Oh, yeah, also, I found some berry bushes on the way back, so that is pretty good. And I'm kind of starting to not like this idea of being out here. Wait, can you place berry bushes on here? No, you can't. Oh, that's sad. Bam. And here you go. Bam. See? Perfect. But now, I think I need to go mining. Find a cave, make a cave, I don't know. I need to go mining for iron. So, I think I should make a nice little mining area. I should make a bridge to there and then dig down. Okay, I'm not going to break the bridge now, but I'm just going to do some mining, I guess you could say. But first, to involve doing the mining, I got to make a mine shaft. And since I don't have a lot of time left, I'm not going to make, like, really much of a mine shaft right now. I'm just going to make a... I'm just going to make a nice little mine down. So, don't worry, guys. By the time the next video is out, I'll probably have that mine shaft done with, it's probably going to be colored with all wood and fences and slabs and stuff. Hopefully it'll look pretty good, but, I'm just going to do some strip mining for about 10 minutes. Zombie groans. Did you guys hear that? Or look at the bottom right there. Well, on my face cam. It's kind of like, yeah, kind of down here, but like way below my face cam. Okay, I'm gonna do some strip mining for a little bit. I'll see when something happens. Okay, so I'm just getting up started here. Nice music in the background if you can hear it anyway. Okay, so I'm just smelting some charcoal, mining down a little bit, and I think that is a good area to stop our episode. Yes, I still need to make a skin, I know that. And get ready for more videos like this, because I'll be making them more. I know I keep saying that, but since it's actually playing video games, I'm making them a lot more. They're a lot more fun than vlogs, I guess you could say. No offense to vlogs. Look at me mining. I wish I could zoom in. So weird. Okay, anyway, thank you everybody for watching. By the time my next video is out, I'll probably do some off-cam mining maybe. Something will happen. Or, I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, share. If you want to see more, then definitely be sure to like and subscribe. Comment what you'd like me to do better. Comment what you'd like me to do. Love you guys. Bye, everyone. Smart Aiden's still here. I need to add that touch more.